So, one more day, dia mais trabalhando, working here, guys. So, one more day working. Generator there, container. You see all that black material? It is the rust converter working. We are protecting against the rust, but with this nice view. Todo aquele material preto que vocês viram no container é o controlador de ferrugem que tá funcionando, mas olha o visual, galera. Yeah, guys. That's it, man. We are working. Beast bear. Working a lot. Doing a lot of stuff. Getting my future vacation home ready in this paradise. Croix é o urso aqui trabalhando, preparando a minha casa de férias no Caribe. Hey, hey, hey! Look how good it's getting. Aí, gurizada, olha aí como é que tá ficando, que beleza! Olha aí! All protected. Lot of work, guys. Lots of work. Trabalheira. Mandando ver. That's me now, taking care of the construction. With this landscape and visual. Yay! Mama, mama, come here, mama. Come here. Olha, mãe, que bonitinho. Oh, she's a good mom. She really knows which ones belong to her or not. And they're super friendly. They're super friendly. São bem amiguinhos, mãe. Olha que esquilita. Come on, boy, you can do it. Yes! Dog came here, she got scared, and she got underneath my legs to ask for protection. See? See how sweet they are? She just wants protection. Okay, mama, you are safe, mama. I got you, mama. Valeu, galera. Updates for today. Love you all. Thank you. Tchau, galera. Beijo.